Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for the support. If you're looking for a natural remedy for acne, dullness or sensitive skin, today's DIY face mask might just be your new best friend. We are making a Quasil powder and honey face mask that's full of skin loving benefits. Let's get into it. These are my ingredients. We have Quasil powder, honey, and rose water or just normal water, but water is optional. So this is how to prepare the mixture. Take 1 teaspoon of Quasil powder, put into a clean bowl, then add 1 teaspoon of raw honey, then a few drops of water just to make it easier for mixing, and then now mix all the ingredients all together. Mix thoroughly until it forms a consistent paste that is ready to be used on your face. Ensure that it has no any lumps on it. So first, let me tell you why these two ingredients are so powerful. Let me start with Quasil powder. Quasil powder comes from Quassia amara tree. It's packed with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and even anti-parasitic properties. It is amazing for acne-prone skin, redness, and irritation. Then honey. Honey, especially when it's raw, it's a natural humectant, meaning it locks in moisture. It is also antibacterial and full of antioxidants, making it perfect for soothing and healing your skin. So, together, these two ingredients detox the skin, fight breakouts, and leave your skin feeling soft, clean, and fresh, all without harsh chemicals. So, ensure you get original Quasil powder and also original honey. So, just to give you a few tips, natural doesn't mean risk-free. Always listen to your skin. So first of all, make sure that you do a patch test, especially if you've never used Quasil powder before, to ensure that your skin is safe to use it. Then you can use it once a week or twice maximum. Then for storage, you store in a cool, dry place to keep it fresh. Okay? So when applying, ensure that your skin is clean and dry. Then you can use your fingers or brush or that small spoon when applying, and ensure that you avoid the eye area. Then once you apply, you can leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it dry. Sawa sawa. If you have a very sensitive skin, don't let it to dry completely, but once you feel like you feel like it's a bit dry, you can wash it off. We have a few benefits of Quasil powder. It contains antibacterial properties that help reduce acne by targeting the bacteria that cause breakouts. Therefore, it fights acne-causing bacteria. 2. It calms inflamed skin and soothes irritation. Great for conditions like rosacea or cystic acne. Thus, it reduces inflammation and redness. 3. Controls excess oil production. This is because it helps balance the sebum, that is oil levels, making it ideal for oil and combination skin types. 4. Tightens pores. It acts as natural astringent and reduces the appearance of large pores and refines skin texture. 5. Detoxifies the skin. This is because it draws out impurities, toxins, and pollutants from the skin, leaving it clearer and refreshed. 6. It's a natural insect repellent that helps soothe bug bites and protect skin from further irritation caused by insects or mites. 7. Regular use can help soothe out rough patches and even out the skin surface. Therefore, it improves the skin texture. Then 8, it helps with fungal conditions. It has antifungal properties useful in treating certain fungal skin issues. 9. Promotes faster skin healing thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial qualities. And 10. it balances skin pH. This helps regulate the skin's natural pH, which is essential for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. If there is any benefit of Quasil powder that I've left behind, you can comment in the comment section and let me know. So honey have a few benefits for our skin. One, it's a natural antibacterial agent that helps prevent and treat acne by keeping bacteria at bay. 2, deeply moisturizing. This is because it acts as a humectant, attracting moisture into the skin and locking it for a long-lasting hydration. 3, it soothes irritation. This is because it reduces redness and inflammation, making it perfect for sensitive or sunburned skin. So in case you faced any sort of sunburns, just go for honey and Quasil powder face mask. It will really go a long way. 4, it is rich in antioxidants that fights free radicals that causes premature aging and dullness. So in case you want an anti-aging product that is very organic and natural, just go for honey. I mean, it will really come through for you. 5, gentle exfoliation. Honey contains enzymes that gently exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving the skin glowing and smooth. 6, brightens complexion. If you use this consistently, once or twice a week, every week, it will reduce redness and dullness and give your skin that radiant glow. So honey, if you want to glow, please just use honey, okay? Number 7, it promotes wound healing. This is because it speeds up the healing of acne scars, minor cuts, and blemishes. Number 8, it fades hyperpigmentation and acne marks. Over time, it can lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. Number 9, it cleanses pores. This is because it removes dirt and oil while keeping pores clear and unclogged without overdrying. Number 10, it boosts collagen production. This is because of its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help stimulate collagen for firmer, youthful looking skin. You can comment down below any other benefit of honey. So after washing your face with lukewarm water, you can proceed with your moisturizer. If you are leaving to go outside, you can use your sunscreen. You can proceed with your normal skincare routine after you use the face mask. Quasil powder and honey combined together has super benefits. 1, it has a double acne fighting power. It balances oil without over drying. 3, detoxifies and heals at the same time. 4, soothes and brightens skin texture. 5, soothes sensitive and reactive skin. If you have ever used these products for your skin, you can comment down below. Let us know how it went for you. Yeah, so just let us learn. You can always once in a while give your skin a soft or gentle massage. You massage going upwards just to avoid any sagging skin. If you try this mask, let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. And if you want more natural skin recipes like this, natural and affordable back at home, hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video. Thanks so much for keeping up with me. You can let me know where you're watching my video from. If you're watching from USA, from UK, from Canada, and if you're watching from Kenya, let me know. If you're watching from Nairobi, from Kisumu, Mombasa, Narok, Samburu, Turkana, I mean, it can reach to as many people as possible, and you can as well share to your friends, your mom, your sisters, your male friends. Anybody can use this face mask. So thank you once again. I don't take your support for granted in my channel, and if you are visiting this channel for the second or third time, thank you so much. I love you. I can't even explain how appreciative I am. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.